Hey beautiful friends, and a happy now moment. This moment is creating your future. Do you know that? Are you aware of that? Every moment in time is in fact creating your future. So the way you are feeling right now, whatever emotion or energies you are radiating in your field around you and from within you, is creating like a vibration, and that's been sent out, like a signal is being sent out to the universal field, which then picks up your signal and then sends you back the corresponding energy that you are sending out. So can you see how important it is how you're feeling in this now moment? And every time you are feeling low or angry or in fear, in pain, you are sending out that emotion, that energy, and it is coming back to you in some way, maybe only in the same way that you are experiencing it right now. So it's like an ongoing pattern, you know. Or it could also come in form of other angry people or hurt people or fearful people, or it could come in forms of events and situations. But I want to really invite you to become very aware of how you're feeling in this now moment. And if it's not positive, if you are in a little bit of a depression, if you are feeling maybe some fear or you're feeling emotionally low, then that's how it is. You know, we can't change that. And I don't want you to, you know, really work hard on, oh, I mustn't be like this, oh, I shouldn't feel like this. No, because that's, again, too much trying, and that's coming from almost constructing your reality, because your reality right now is feeling emotionally low, and that's okay. So when that happens, it's really important to meet that emotion, to be present with whatever is. Being present is being in the now moment. And so if the now moment isn't pleasant, then so it is. But we still need to be present with it fully and lovingly, and without any resistance towards that. So that's then the task that we need to do if we are not feeling, you know, on an upbeat, or at least in a harmony, kind of peaceful level of experience. So if you are more in the low vibrational experience, then please be with that, meet that, just shine your light and your awareness onto that feeling and become aware of it. It will keep on hurting you or haunting you and coming back and triggering you if you are not allowing your awareness to shine onto it. If you're trying to smother it or push it away or make it wrong or avoid it, that's when the pain is perpetuating. But if you are able to actually give it your attention, and best even to embrace it and pull it into your heart and reintegrate it into your heart, then you are going to free yourself from that, and it will not keep on coming back. So treat whatever is here as a gift. Life is always and only sending you gifts, because life is the benevolent, all-loving source of love and presence, and all life is pure presence, pure consciousness. And it doesn't label anything or judge anything, it just takes everything as it is. The more we can adapt that way of being, the more we are in alignment with our source energy, and the more we are living one to one, or, you know, merged, connected to our source energy. And if we are doing anything else than source energy would naturally do, we are not aligned. We are living parallel to source energy. We are living in another realm, the realm of fear usually, you know, the realm of luck and limitation and I'm not good enough and lack of love. So every time you are noticing, you're observing, oh, I'm in a low vibration, okay, So if I can't change that, so if it's like a trigger or it's an emotion that comes up from childhood even, you know, and that has repeated itself, then please just meet it. If it's just a thought that, you know, say you observe something that's going on the outside world, like the coronavirus situation, or anything that happened for you, it's always for you, delivered by a person or a situation, and you're having now a string of thoughts because of that event that are maybe not so positive, and that could lead you very well down into a negative spiral, into a depression, that you can stop, you know, then catch yourself. Oh, hang on a minute. Do I really want to spiral downward? Or could I just observe the situation without adding any thoughts to what happened? That's the key. Just observe. And it would be the most amazing practice you could apply here is to almost move away, move out of your body a little bit and just observe yourself in that picture, in that movie screen of your life that is happening right now. And just observe yourself, because, you know, after all, you're not your body. You're connected to it and you're living in it and through it to have a human experience. But you're not really that human being. Nor are you your thoughts that might come up and might run in you and might dictate you to do certain things. And nor are you your emotions. So you are the one, the source energy, the spark of creation that is living in this body, having chosen to experience this life that you're having right now. And the more you can be detached from that, the easier life will be. I know it's not always easy. And it is, though, a choice. So my choice is to actually become the observer as much as possible. And to detach from the human ego, from the human self, even from the human identification of I am a woman, I am this, I'm that, you know. And to actually really come back to my soul essence, to my soul qualities that I am longing to experience and express in this lifetime. And the more I do that, the more positive and uplifting feelings come along, the more clarity I become on who am I truly, and who do I want to be, and what do I want to achieve in this life. Rather than being bogged down in the comfort zone or in the scenarios that triggered me, in the difficulties that life is bringing again and again and again. So my choice is to come out of that comfort zone, for sure. Also come out of any identification that I might have, and to return fully to my source energy, to my soul self, who I am here to express and to fulfill a certain purpose. And the purpose is, number one, always to be me authentically, to be me 100% as I am, without any hindrance, without any, oh, maybe I shouldn't be this, like this, or I shouldn't say this, or I shouldn't, you know, whatever. You know, without allowing anybody else to tell me what to do, without putting myself down, making myself bad or not good enough, you know, criticizing myself, thinking I'm not perfect. And that way, you know, to actually really empower myself, to choose to empower myself. That's my journey. And if that's yours, this is the channel for you. I want to really share with you a life lived from love. So lived really from the soul, from the heart and from the soul. And this is my passion. And that's what I want to help you with. This is my path. And if you want to, you know, join me, then please do click the subscribe button, like the video, send me a question, a feedback, whatever. I'd love to connect with you. And I'm looking forward to the next video. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Let me know. Bye for now.